Do you feel busy every day, but still feel like you didn't do enough? Or maybe you feel tired all the time? Today, we will learn simple English through a natural conversation about time, stress, and daily life. Let's relax and learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Garden by May. I'm May. In this channel, we learn English slowly, naturally, and comfortably, like having a peaceful conversation in a garden. Today's topic is being busy and managing time. Listen carefully, repeat if you like, and enjoy the conversation. Hey, Tom, you look really tired today.
Yeah, I am. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, what happened?
I stayed up late working. I had too many things to finish.
That sounds stressful. Are you very busy these days?
Yes, extremely busy. Work is heavy, and I also have family responsibilities.
That must be hard. Do you have any time for yourself?
Honestly, not much. Even when I rest, I feel like I should be doing something.
I understand that feeling. It's really common.
Yeah, I always feel like I don't have enough time.
What do you usually do during your day?
I wake up early, go to work, come back home late, and then I still have things to finish.
Wow, no wonder you're tired.
Sometimes I just want to relax, but I feel guilty when I do nothing.
That's not healthy. Rest is important too.
I know, but it's hard to stop thinking about work.
Maybe you need better time management.
Yeah, I think so, but I don't know how to start.
I can share something simple.
Really? That would be great.
Every morning, I write a small to-do list. Just 3 or 4 important things.
Only 3 or
Yes, not too many. That way, I don't feel overwhelmed.
That sounds easy.
And I focus on one task at a time. No multitasking.
I always try to do many things at once.
That's why you feel tired. Your brain needs rest, too.
That makes sense.
Also, I plan short breaks during the day. Even 10 minutes helps.
I never take breaks.
You should try. Even a short walk or deep breathing can help.
I think I really need that.
And don't forget, sleep is very important.
Yeah, I've been sleeping late every day.
Try to sleep earlier tonight. I will. Thank you, May. You're welcome. Just take it slow, one step at a time.
I feel better already.
That was a simple conversation about being busy and managing time. Let's look at a few useful expressions. I stayed up late. You didn't sleep early. I feel guilty. You feel bad about something. Overwhelmed. Too much to do. Feeling stressed. Take it slow. Relax. Don't rush. Try to repeat these sentences slowly with me. Thank you so much for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to support English Garden by May. You can come back anytime. Relax, listen, and improve your English step by step. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.